But the most precious of all seeds, revered by squirrels and deer alike, is the acorn. It's highly sought after, so you have to be quick in order to collect them. But oftentimes, even then you're too late. You see, not every acorn that has fallen is necessarily a good one, but there are a few visual cues that'll help indicate its integrity. First, take a look and see if it's got a cap. If it does, toss it. Yes, the iconic symbol of the capped acorn is pretty, but it's also misleading. Perhaps it should keep its job as a symbol, for this acorn will never become a tree. The mother tree abandoned it, perhaps due to stress, perhaps because it could detect a nefarious intruder hiding inside. And perhaps you can too. The second clue is the presence of a tiny hole. That means there's someone living inside there. That someone is a weevil larvae. It's drilled inside while the acorn was still in the tree and has since been having acorn for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, when you're out there collecting, it's easy enough to avoid the ones that have got a cap. They're easy to see after all, but it's impractical to have to sit there and look at each and every angle looking for a tiny little pinhole. Thankfully, there's a method to root out these weevil-infested acorns, and it's called the float test. And there we have it. It looks like some of these acorns float and some sink. Now remember I said that when the weevil gets in there, it's leaving nothing but air and poop in itself. I think that'll float a whole lot easier than an acorn that's full of healthy flesh. Let's cut one open and see what they look like inside. The weevil has completely corrupted this acorn, a big difference compared to a healthy acorn.